This is Musa, an unusually intelligent cat. He loves to watch the world from his comfortable window. One day he saw a creature he had never seen before, an enchanting bird with vibrant colors. "Hello," Musa called out, curious. "Hello, my feline friend. My name is Zaher," the bird replied, cheerful. "I'm Musa. What brings you flying here?" Musa asked, curious. "I was looking for a new adventure," Zaher exclaimed, excited. "Would you like to see inside my home?" Musa asked, welcoming. "Sure," Zaher replied, excited. Zaher replied enthusiastically. Zaher flew inside, and together with Musa, they explored every corner and nook. They quickly became friends. The next day, they played in the garden, with Musa chasing butterflies while Zaher sang cheerful songs. One day, a large, scary dog appeared. "We need to hide," Musa said, fearful. Musa thought quickly. "Zaher, distract the dog. I'll make a dash to safety," Musa said, clever in his plan. "All right, my friend," Zaher replied, showing his bravery. Zaher agreed to the plan. Zaher flew around the dog's head, making it bark and jump. Musa took advantage of the chaos to dash to safety. Together they outsmarted the dog and returned home safely. "That was exciting," Zaher said, relieved. "Yes, it's good to have friends," Musa replied, grateful. Thus Musa, the clever cat, and Zaher, the magical bird, learned that friendship can make any adventure possible.